If you know people that are still drinking this, give them some recommendations. I don't need to spit that. That's a delicious wine. That's a really good wine. Really well made. Hey everybody, this is Greg at BigHammerWines.com. This is my one take wine pitch around a category that many people love, but quite complicated because it's Napa Valley red blends, which means it can include anything, including the kitchen sink, in the blend because they don't tell us. I'm going to taste the OG of red blends in the Napa Valley, which is The Prisoner. The Prisoner red wine was a concept founded by a guy named Dave Finney. He successfully kind of broke out of the mold of traditional staid wine labels and put this cool Prisoner sculpture. This is a manufactured grocery store wine, not the type of thing that we specialize in at Big Hammer Wines. Really manufactured and fake to me. It's really high alcohol, almost like burning my chest and my throat. It just tastes like I had a shot of something. It's not smooth, a wine I would expect or want to drink. I wouldn't drink it. I wouldn't drink a glass of it. If you're paying just $50 or whatever you're paying for this wine, venture out. Go taste some other wines. This is a waste of money, and stop buying wine at grocery stores. The 2019 Bennett Lane Maximus. And this one's a little bit different because it really is more true to type in terms of what was originally kind of, let's say, the Napa Valley red blend. But importantly, the proprietary red blend in Napa is dominant Cabernet. And that's what's going on here. I think it's 55-60% Cabernet. I don't need to spit that. That's a delicious wine. That's a really good wine. Really well made, round, layered. What was on the nose carried into the mouth. This is a wine that's delicious. It gives me that salivating mouth. I want to drink more of this wine. You notice I didn't even want to spit it. I didn't have to because it was delicious. There's a great finish there, that raspberry and that lip smacking quality. So the fruit acid balance in that Maximus, fantastic. This wine is in a class of its own. If you know people that are still drinking this, give them some recommendations. And tell them they've been wasting their life and money. Cheers.